Introduction. Python is a high-level, interpreted programming language known for its simplicity and readability. Python is used in various fields like web development, data analysis, AI, etc. Understanding and managing different Python versions is a crucial skill for every Python programmer. Why knowing your Python version is important. Ensures compatibility. Knowing your Python version helps avoid compatibility issues with code or packages. Security updates. Each Python version has its own security updates. Staying updated protects from known vulnerabilities. New features. Each new Python version introduces new features and improvements that can be utilized in projects. How to check your Python version. Python version can be checked directly in the command line interface. The Python interpreter provides this information when invoked with the nash v or nash version option. Working with different Python versions. Using virtual environments, the venviv module allows creation of isolated Python environments, each with its own version and packages. Using version management tools. Tools like PNV help install and manage multiple Python versions, enabling easy switching between different versions. Common pitfalls and tips to avoid them. Avoid using deprecated features. These may cause the code to break in newer Python versions. Ensure to test code with different Python versions. Critical when developing libraries or applications for use by others. Regularly update Python version, important for latest security updates and new features. Conclusion. Understanding and managing Python versions is a critical skill for Python developers. Ensures code is secure, compatible, and up to date. Though it may seem daunting, with the right tools and knowledge, it becomes manageable.